That's outside in the fake world, which also has that thing called political correctness. Nothing in here is politically correct in my space. Why? For me to do something politically correct means I need to psychically read every single one of your minds, know every single thing that's happened in your life so that I don't say something that offends you. Would you say that's pretty accurate? Would you say that's anywhere possible, even 1%? No, but how many people do you know in life that go through that and they get offended by everything? How many of you know someone that when somebody makes fun of another person, that person's not there, they don't hear it, they're not gonna be offended, but that person gets offended for them? Yeah, why? Because they don't realize that what's happening is they're just giving themselves dopamine. They are their own drug dealers and they get high on their own supply all day and all night. And imagine if you knew somebody in life that had drama and was addicted to drama and addicted to this and addicted to that, and they chose one day to stop. They would have an open canvas to create a magical life. And if you're one of those people and your brain just went, nuh-uh, stop listening, be quiet, that's okay. Your brain wants you to do two things: stay safe and prove you right.